Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to install R and get started with RStudio. Before getting started with RStudio, we're going to go ahead and install R. So go ahead and open up the terminal and type in this command. Go ahead and hit enter. Enter your password. Now that that is done installing, we could go ahead and verify the install. And there you go, we have R version 4.3.3. Now we can actually install RStudio. So we'll go ahead and go to your web browser and open up this website. And I will go ahead and link this in the description. So if we scroll down a little bit, we could go ahead and find RStudio and go ahead and find the distro that you're using. In this instance, we're using Ubuntu 24. So go ahead and click on this link, and that will start your download. And once that is done installing, we're going to want to go ahead and navigate back to our terminal. So now we're going to want to go ahead and navigate into our downloads folder. And here you can see the package that we just installed from the web. So next we're going to want to go ahead and run this command, and this will start the unpacking of this application. And here you can see we're missing some dependencies, so we'll go ahead and fix this with this command. And now we should be able to launch RStudio with no problems. And you can select if you want to upload crash reports if you want. I'll go ahead and say no for our tutorial. And there you go. Now RStudio and R are installed on your Ubuntu system. Now to test RStudio a little bit, we're going to go ahead and create an R Markdown file. So go ahead and go up to File, select New File, and go to R Markdown. And go ahead and select Yes. And this will install a couple dependencies. Once the dependencies are installed, we could go ahead and create our project. In our title, we could call this whatever we want. I'm going to go ahead and name this test. And the author, you could put your name in here as well, or you could leave that blank. I will just put in cloud. And the date, I will go ahead and leave this alone. And we have a couple of formats that we want to output to, HTML, PDF, and Word. I'm going to do HTML since this is the easiest. And we don't have to install any other dependencies. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And here we have our project. you can see that it comes with some starter code for examples. So to actually run this, we'll come up here to where it says knit, we'll click the drop down, and we'll go ahead and click knit to HTML. We'll actually have to save this first, so we'll go ahead and just save this to my desktop and call it test. And here you can see we have a title, which is marked with 2 pounds. And then we have some summary text here as well. And then our actual code and the output to that code. And here's a plot as well.